I believe that having a silent range hood like Schweigen in your kitchen would make a big difference in, say, it's very silent, although it's really powerful. And I believe it will make you more adventurous in cooking, like cooking with spices, or cooking fish, or cooking anything that is has got strong smell that you would be reluctant to cook when you have gatherings. A Schweigen range hood will obviously give you that confidence to step out of your comfort zone and cook something that's got a stronger smell.